Hi friends, in this video I would be showing 3 ways to uninstall or delete an app. Method 1. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to apps. Select see all apps. Here you can see list of all installed app. From this list let me select one app. I am going to delete this Geo Cinema app. Select it. Select uninstall. Select OK. So this way we can delete or uninstall this app. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. From top, set this apps tab. Go down. Here you can see your apps section. These are the apps installed in this TV. Let me select one app from this list. Then press and hold select button on the remote. Select view details. Select uninstall. Then select OK. So this way we can uninstall this app. This is a method 2. So let me go to method 3. Method 3. Again go to settings. Go down. Select apps. Select see all apps. Go down. Select show system apps. Again go down. Go down. Then we need to open Google Play Store app. Select it, select open, then go to top right corner, select this icon, set manage apps and games, go down, set on this device. Then from this list, these are the apps installed in this device. Let me select one app. I am going to delete this Geo Hotstar app. Select it, then select uninstall. Select OK. This is a method 3. So these are 3 methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.